Today is the 23rd of May. No skies on. Okay, there's one sky. One cloud, I mean. Sorry, one cloud in the sky. Here we are again in Mo I Rana. Let's find my car. My car is here. Wave hello, guys. Okay. Let's have a look at the same old view. This is the 4th time I take this video. Little bit more traffic now. It's almost rush hour time. Almost in a couple of hours or so. And look at the river. Oh my God, look at the river. And look at this beautiful waterfall. It's even bigger now than before. A hell of a lot bigger. They said that on the news. This is the five-year flood. So enjoy, without me saying something. Okay, maybe I should end this before the battery is dead.